Hello parents! I'm making this video to share with you a new function that we will be using on Class Dojo. Since we're moving to distance learning, it's important that your students be able to show the work they're doing to me, and we'll use the new portfolio function to do that. This is not required. However, if your student wants some feedback on what they're doing, if they want to share a story with me, or if they want a little bit of help on what they're doing in math, or if they just want to share what they're doing, then the portfolio function can really help them do that. Let me show you how it works. I will send each of you a specific link to let your student log into Class Dojo as a student. So this is separate from how you would log in as a parent. This is an example student that I created, and this will look a lot like your parent mode, where you can see the class story and any announcements that I've made. But the cool thing that you can also do here is that we can go into the portfolio. In the portfolio, I can give you specific assignments that I want you to complete, but you can also upload assignments to me. In the portfolio mode, which is where we are now, you're sending things to your specific portfolio, not to the class story. That's important because the students can share work with me without sharing it with the whole class. So we could use the portfolio to upload a picture. You could take a picture of artwork that they've created or a picture of their math homework, for example. They could upload a video. Say, for example, they're reading a story to their brother or sister, or they're practicing a fluency drill and they want to share that with me. You can upload a video. They could also draw a picture. This feature might be helpful for more than just drawing, however. We're going to be working on some math skills that we've already learned this year, but it's been a while since your kids have been at school. So they might want to use this feature to show me how they're doing in math. For example, we might set a problem up like this in the classroom: 312 plus 234. If they can show me, oops, excuse me, I just swiped backwards. 312 plus 334. Okay. If they can show me that they know how to set the problem up, then I will know that they know the first step. If they go all the way through and solve the problem, then it will help me understand what they already know and maybe what mistakes they're making if they're getting the examples wrong. So after they solve this problem, then they would go over here and click on Hand In. That's how you send it to me. So then in my teacher side of Class Dojo, I would be able to see the work that they've completed and be able to give them feedback on it from there. We could also upload a file. So if they do a math sheet and you can scan it in on your printer, then you can upload a file here. Or you can write directly in the Class Dojo app in a journal. So you might say, "Dear Miss Z, today I drew with sidewalk chalk." This will be helpful because I can see exactly what they're doing in their writing, and I can give them feedback on if they're following our rules for writing: capitalization, punctuation. They could also put their spelling practice activities in the journal or in the file upload space. So that's just a quick tour of how we would use the Class Dojo portfolio. Remember, you'll have to log in as a student in order to do this. So I will be sending to your parent link a specific link for your students to log in as a student in the Class Dojo app. I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.